The Skytech Gaming Shadow 5. High refresh rate gaming performance. 120Hz display for smoothest visuals. 1 millisecond response time for competitive gamers. Up to 240Hz overclocking. G-Sync and FreeSync compatible. 16.7 million color gamut display. 1280 by 1440 resolution at 144 Hz. 1920 by 1080 resolution at 144 Hz. 2560 by 1600 resolution at 120 Hz. AMD Radeon RX 5600 XT. NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1660 Super support. USB 3.2 Gen 2 port for fast data transfer. Dual 5G antennas for stable Wi-Fi connectivity. Durable aluminum frame construction. Weight, 1.8 kilograms. Dimensions, 350 by 210 by 40 millimeters. Long-lasting battery life up to 12 hours. Fast charging support for quick top-ups. Compatible with Windows, macOS, Linux. Integrated speakers and dual stereo sound. For USB ports for convenient connectivity. 1x HDMI port for console gaming. 1x DisplayPort for high-end gaming monitors. Easy-to-use interface and customizable controls. Gaming-grade performance without compromise.